Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the SingularityNET, the world's first decentralized AI network. And that's a big deal. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because of Cheeky Crypto. They set a price prediction of $10. And I highly suggest you go check out their video, and Crypto AI Profit as well, another YouTuber that's covering SingularityNET a lot. I try to do my best. Bigger Than Race as well, he's been covering them for a while now. Again, Crypto AI has been here for years, I believe. And there are a couple of us YouTubers that have been covering SingularityNET. I would like to see more YouTubers and social influencers start covering SingularityNET. And I say that because I love the vision of this project to democratize artificial intelligence, so it's not just in the hands of Google, IBM, Facebook, Apple, and so many of the worldwide conglomerates. No, it's going to be also with us, the people. Queen of Crypto as well. She's covered SingularityNET in the past, and I hope to see more from her in the future. And this is my channel, everyone. If you have not yet already, just tap that subscribe button real quick. It's right down below, and leave a like down below on this video, because that's the only way for more people to learn about the SingularityNET. You have to tap the like button so the algorithm knows that more people want to see it. That's just how it works. And thank you very much for showing amazing support on the $1 price prediction video about a month ago, and I believe that was our highest viewed AGI video, so that really means a lot to me. And the fact that SingularityNET is my favorite project, like between us, whoever is watching, the SingularityNET, if I had to choose one, it would be them, because in the long term, it will produce the most results, I believe. In the short term, yes, there might be other projects that we talk about on this channel that can do really good and better than SingularityNET, sure. But in the long term, like 5, 10, 20 years down the line, AGI is the way, and that's why I'm investing in it and speaking about it this early on. A lot of you were saying that $1 was too low actually, and that my price prediction should be higher. And yes, I agree with you 110% that $1 is just peanuts compared to where this can go. Let's get there first. Let's get to $1, and then we can reassess things. How fast can we get there? That's what we're going to try to answer in today's video as well, because again, everyone, I'm invested in the SingularityNET, so I want to see them grow. So real quick, if you have not yet heard, Sophia the robot sold an NFT for almost $700,000. And Google Trends is showing that the SingularityNET is not trending whatsoever, but we'll speak why that can change really quick. So this is a person that bought the NFT, Crypto888. This is their Twitter, and Sophia the robot herself has a Twitter page as well. Ben Gersel also talks about transhumanism and the future, so check them out. I'll leave a link to their Twitters down below. And the SingularityNET right now is sitting in 158th place, so it's relatively small in terms of market cap, and the price of it has looked like this for the past couple months. So what is going to happen now? Is it going to go up or down? Let's speak about it. So it did exactly this a couple months ago, back in January, as we were heading into February. So the big run up, and then the dump, and then the consolidation, and then now we're breaking out again. Let me explain. So back on January 1st, we went on a major bull run, going from about 4 to 7, 8 cents. And then we came back down, lost about 40% of our value, consolidated, and went up. So it's doing almost the exact same pattern. So yes, it went up, it went down, and then it consolidated for just a little bit, just like it's doing now. It's consolidating, and then it broke out of its previous all-time high, which was at around 8.5 cents. It broke out of it, but it still came down, which was a fake out. And that's what we're seeing now. It went up, it broke its previous high of 30 cents, and then now it's coming down. But it seems like it's going back up again. So that's how cryptos move, everyone. It's not a straight line, it's a roller coaster. It literally goes up and down, up and down. It almost like you do not know where it's going. So that's why the best method is to hold. If you're an investor, you will probably be much further ahead than the traders in 5 years' time, and I truly believe that. This is a market study that was just published today, in which they cover the SingularityNET putting them in the same basket with Blackbird AI, a public company, and other great AI companies. So I'll leave a link to this article down below, and it just adds on to the momentum that we are seeing with the SingularityNET, which is great to see. And again, SNET, AGI, they are competing with Google, Microsoft, Amazon, the likes of Apple, and this is their phase 2 proposal. We already voted yes on it, but the main 4 steps is: number 1, moving to Cardano from Ethereum. Number 2 is driving massive utilization through their layer 2 network, which they have to build. Number 3 goes hand in hand with number 2. So after they build the layer 2, they want to grow. This network is going to compete with the biggest companies in the world, because now instead of the company controlling AI, the AI will come to the people. That is the whole point of it. That is why I believe in this vision, is because now it's quite literally controlled by billionaires. It's controlled by trillion-dollar companies and not us the people. But if we can find a way to democratize it in a scalable manner, which is what the SingularityNET is trying to do, then we will be on to great things. And that's why, again, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, I'm covering it, and my price target is $1. Let's get to $1 first. That is a 4-time multiple, about 3-time multiple from where we're at right now. So let's get to $1, and then we can set a price target of $3, $5, $10. But right now, I want to be realistic with everyone, because the volume is very low on it. So yes, the market cap is about 250 million, but the volume is only about 7 million a day. And that just means that no one knows about it. That's quite literally what that means. If the volume is so low, that means not many people are buying and selling. And that could mean that everyone is just accumulating and hodling. That's what that could mean as well. So keep that in the back of your mind. That's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm excited about it. And as we grow, I want to see them offer statistics to us, just like Hedera Hashgraph and Theta are doing with their transactions per day and things like that. That's what we will want to see from the SingularityNET, but there's still a lot of things in between now and then. And I'll leave a link to the SingularityNET website down below as well. Check it out. Look through the products that they offer and the staking platforms. They have given out over 1 million tokens in rewards, and over 1,000 different stakers have participated. So again, this is a global AI marketplace. Not many companies, not many projects can say that this is what they're working on, and I am proud to be covering this project because, again, everyone, it is still very early on. Google Trends shows that we have not been on the radar for years now. So in 2017, 2018, that's when we went up to about 100 in terms of interest. But that's not going to stay like that for long. In 6 months, a year's time, we will look at this video and we will be laughing. I can promise you that. I am promising that to myself. I believe in this project. Again, everyone, that's why I'm covering it. And yes, it might seem like over the year it's expensive. It's up over 2,000%. But if you compare it to its all-time chart, it's down 85%. So it is very cheap, everyone. And keep focused on the future. Do not get worried about the day-to-day movements, because we have seen a roller coaster with the SingularityNET, and if you've just held, that is the best method. And again, everyone, we are going to have an amazing 2021. Every single one of you watching, if you're invested in AGI, just hodl. Please listen to me, because this seems like it's financial advice, but it's really not. I am just giving you personal advice. That is the best method, is just to hold the best investments that you see with massive potential, because in 5-10 years time, you will be laughing. Yes, in the short term, it might drop 50%, 60% even more. You never know, but just buy more if that happens and add on to your position. Again, we are going to have an amazing year. I will be updating you every single week on the SingularityNET, because this is one of my favorite, if not favorite, projects. Thank you all for watching up until this point. If you have not yet already, tap that like button real quick. It's right down below. Subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Until next time, Mr. Mufleh out.